My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called SchrodingerCat. SchrodingerCat is a new ransomware that actually may attack many computers all over the world today. This SchrodingerCat ransomware encrypts the files and then damages the files essentially. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, but very soon this ransomware actually encrypts the files and also appends this SchrodingerCat extension to the file names. It's impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note indicating that the files are encrypted and that the ransom is supposedly meant to be paid. But I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. There is no guarantee that if you pay that ransom, your data will be restored, so don't waste your funds. Well, how to remove this ransomware? I recommend you to remove it with the help of reliable antivirus. And I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official page, which is combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Click on the Start Scan button. The application is initially in the trial mode and only the quick scan option is available. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the application would begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Well, I need to emphasize the fact that Combo Cleaner removes the ransomware and protects the data, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, the scanning will begin, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of infections. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.